Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get a little bit of box action. Get this label to focus. There we go. Alrighty guys, this one reads the Air Jordan 11 Retro IE Black, True Red, and Multicolor, aka the Jordan 1 Low 11 IE Bred, I believe they call these. I have a name down in the description as usual. Materials on this shoe, let me get this light out. Not bad so far. It's like an all leather material, probably simulated leather. It look like we got some nubuck or suede on the side. All netting. Some of it is netting with a little bit more leather. Simple Jordan 11 IE back. It's either you love the Jordan 11 IEs or you hate them, but it's international exclusive. Kind of a gray, smoky bottom. Red carbon fiber looks outstanding. Get this light on, go through it. Like I said, carbon fiber is outstanding. The little hit right there. Little smoky type of Jordan 11 bottom. Hope you guys can make that out. That true red is outstanding. Let's look at the toe box. See how it's a little bit leathery. Then you got the suede on the side. Just standard Jordan 11 IE laces, nothing special on the laces. Side view of the shoe isn't bad either. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of these. Do you like Jordan 11s? Do you hate Jordan 11 low IEs? Think they're not so bad. I think I own just about every pair. Just talking to my dad about them the other day. I pretty much enjoy this pair as well. I think if you do like this shoe, I think they're going for under retail, so you win in that regard if you like these shoes. Give you a look at what the shoe's gonna look like when the shoe is on your feet. Bang! Jordan 11 Low IE Bred. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. You know what you think about the IEs. Alright, you guys know what time it is. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any shoes. I'm trying to get the channel to grow. We're going to keep on rolling. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Above all else, stay safe and have a nice day.